Hi guys, how are you all? Hope you are well doing well. I'm your sweet brother Jamal Akash and you are watching my video on my YouTube channel Jamal Akash. And this video I will tell you that how can you make the green screen status of your video on KineMaster. So that's so easy. Let's come on to start the video. First of all, you will click on the KineMaster. When you click on the KineMaster, you will see here such type of interface. So click on the new project. When you click on the new project, you can see here so many frames. If you want to make a video for YouTube, if you want to make a video for Insta, if you want to make a video for any other platform, and you can select here a frame of your choice. So I want to select this one frame. Click on the create option. Now you will select here a photo for which you want to make its green screen. So I'm gonna select one of my photo for which I want to make its green screen status. So this is my favorite one photo for which I want to make its green screen status. So I select it. Now you can zoom it. Click on the fan and zoom option and zoom it a little bit. That's okay. Now click on this icon and come on to back. Okay, and the next step you will click on the layer option. When you click on the layer option, you will see here so many options. So leave these all options and click on the first one option, which is media option. Click on the media option. Now you will select here, you will click on those videos which you have downloaded in the form of green screen from YouTube, from WebMat, or from any other source. So I have downloaded already. Now I'm gonna select one of them. So this is my favorite one video which I have selected. Now you can see that the green screen status came on my photo. So how can we remove this green color from this text? So that's easy. For this purpose, scroll down these options and click on the chroma key. When you click on the chroma key, you can see here the option enable. So click on this enable option and make it enable this chroma key. When you make the chroma key enable, you can see here that the green color has been removed from this text. So now you can fit these text on your photo according to your choice. I'm gonna fit it. Okay, you can fit it. Okay, so that's okay. Now make the duration of your photo equal to the duration of this status. That's also okay. Now I'm going to make the volume 0 because if I play it they will disturb our video. So I made the volume 0. Okay, now I wanted to play. So guys, you can see that I made the green screen status of my photo. You can make the green screen status of your photo so easily on KineMaster. Now I want to save this status. So for saving of this status, click on this arrow option and click on the save as video option and skip it. Okay, so the exporting or saving of this video is running. After completing this, it will come on to our storage. Okay guys, this is a status which I made on KineMaster. Let's play it. Okay, you can see that I made the status on KineMaster through this methodology, and you can make such type of status on KineMaster so easily by applying this methodology. And the last, I request to you to like my video, comment here in the comment section, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon as well to receive all of my video personally. Inshallah, we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.